Okay, boys and girls, we are going to read Quack like a duck today. And we're going to practice saying like every time you hear like in your book. I want you to sign like. Quack like a duck. So many sounds and words to say. How many noises can you make today? Can you meow like a cat? Quack like a duck? Squawk like a chicken? Can you bray like a donkey? Can you cackle like a crow? Can you neigh like a horse? Tweet like a bird? Baa like a sheep? Can you bleat like a goat? Can you do a cow's moo? Oink like a piglet and his mama too. With a caw, bleat, moo, oink, cluck, tweet, quack, baa, hee-haw, neigh, this barn is a noisy place today. The end. Great job, boys and girls.